Robo's here, playing more my summer car. Last time we fucked up the Indian with some of that NAS. My Indian got so happy it killed itself. It couldn't handle it. It couldn't take it. Oh shit! How did the piston get out? Oh no! We fucked the block up then, didn't we? The pistons are not supposed to boop out like that. Holy shit! Oh wow! We used a little bit too much of that, the nitros. Let's just store all the broken parts here. It's loose! The Indian is on the loose. It's shaking, it's so scared! Oh my god, man! Get that fucking Indian out. Oh dude, look at this! I can like swing the Indian around. Whoa! Oh my god! Where did it go? No! Oh. Get back here! Can I lift it up? Oh! I can. Okay, we're good. Don't touch that. There's a hole in the oil pan? Oh shit, there is a hole in the oil pan. Motherfucker, you're right. Did we fuck up the oil pan as well? That piston fell out of the hole. That's true. It's so realistic. Wait, can we run this Indian on one on one cylinder? No, we need one in the middle as well because this is down. These two are down when these two are up, so I should probably need one down here as well. Oh no, that crankshaft is not normal. It's bent. It's fucking bent. Well, this Indian is mega fucked beyond fucked. Let's get its gearbox off. Yes, yes. Ripperoo, man. Fucking Ripperoo. Was the nitro worth it? No. It wasn't. Good, good. So, if I want to buy more the new parts, now we know if what's fucked and what's not fucked, alright? Can we just go and buy it? Do I need to bring them with me? Are spare parts expensive? I'm gonna consult my roof bank. This is Banker Chimney. Come here. You can never have too little money. I gotta go 20,000, alright. Dirty cheater? This is not cheating. This is the money I stole. I don't know how much it is. It's probably a fuck ton of money. Oh, I should probably have hid the money. Oh, shit. What if it starts raining? It looks like it's a nice day. I'm taking the truck because I can sleep in it, alright? I don't know where the bed is. No, don't rain! Don't rain! My money is on the roof! Oh no! Oh no! Yo, Papa Finland! Oh dude, milk on the floor! I take it! I take it. What the fuck, man? What the fuck is the clock? Ah, oh, come on! Dude, this is in the middle of the day! Where the hell is he closed on Monday? What days are it? Is it Monday to P-Day? Papa Finland, he taught me everything. How to drink, how to smoke, how to make sweet love. He taught me everything I need to know. Oh! Hey dude! Who the fuck are you? Where did you come from? Hey! It's Immortal! I can't even touch his ass! Oh fuck! Call for an ambulance. In Finland, back in the 90s, they didn't have healthcare back then. Oh, you wanna... Oh. This is your son, isn't it? You have the same shirt. Like father and son! Oh my god, it's beautiful! Oh, it's an hour and a half left at least. Oh well, let's just dispose of this body then, shall we? I'll give him a Finland funeral, alright? Yeah. No, I agree with you. Those fucking liberals, am I right? Into the septic tank you go, man. Oh, I face planted pretty hard. Oh no. Get on there, you fuck! Oh yeah. You like that? He's hiling! You fucking Nazi! Oh, there you go. Chitauri. Oh yeah, hell yeah, man! You here now? Yo, man!
Damn it.
Oh! Is this all we broke? Crankshaft? Water pump as well? Really? Head gasket? The block? We broke the block? How the fuck did we do that? There's no way. Oh shit, we have to bring it back home? In the truck? Oh shit. Let's not lose anything now, alright? Off we go. All parts still here. Lost beer. Fifth gear. How quickly can we go with this thing? Oh no, don't kill yourself. I'm demon speeding. Okay, stay on the road. Aista vittu! Oh! 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 Oh my god! Oh! Ah! It's okay. I meant to do that. Oh, it's a mess back here now. We're never gonna fucking stream this game again. You need to focus completely. Perajärvi. Let's go. We have the fuel thing. Which side is the fuel thing? There it is. Never mind. Oh, there's the back seat! Yes! Don't smoke while pumping. This is diesel though. Diesel don't catch fire. Diesel don't care about that. You can fucking fry your potatoes in diesel. Yes, hello. Can you stop calling me, please? Look. Who is this calling me? Timon! Timon, look! Look, you're calling me! I'm here! I'm standing in front of you! You're closing soon? Hang on! Yes. Poor people go away! Oh my god! Fucking poor people always in the way, man! There we go.
Kiitos ja hyvää päivän jatkoa.
Yes, I'm the hyvät. Bye. Oh shit, you might hit a moose or something as well. Let's just hold our thumbs that nothing bad will happen, alright? Would Americans even be able to play this game? I mean, you have to drive a stick. They don't know how to do that. Silly Americans. They need everything automated these days. Stick is for savages. How are you supposed to drift around like a stick, Chan? How the fuck are you supposed to do that? It ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen. At least we speak English. Hey. I speak perfect American, alright? Video games learned me to speak. It meant in oh shit. Oh man! Oh god! Oh! You just witnessed a suicide? It's Finland, man. We're fine. Someone else coming? Good. That wasn't my fault. I could keep driving. I wasn't the reason for that accident. How long have we been playing? 3 hours almost! Look, I'm telling you, it takes time just playing this game. But it's so relaxing and so rewarding and everything. Come on, you fucking gears! How the hell the gears works anyway? They're just cogs. Fucking cogs. Oh yeah, finally back home. Let's unload all parts. Fix this engine. Up good. Pistons can't be made from aluminium. Aluminium is weak. Car engines are strong. Just join. Has Robert been screwing with that engine since the stream started? No, we just got back home again. We're fixing it. It's great. Where's the rocker shaft? Rocker shaft, where the fuck did you go, you piece of shit? Spin the engine on the hoist for good luck. Nope. Yes! Yes! It's back in again. Engine is back. I can already taste the power. Did we miss anything to put on? Nope, just the rocker cover. We don't need it yet though. There we go, backseat gaming guys. Good job. Let's put the racing tires back on. Front right. This is the one. Moment of truth! It's crying. It's running. It's running though. Don't cry. Don't cry, dear. Move it. How do we move it? Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Oh shit! Oh shit! Something happened. Dude. No, it's fine. It's fine. maniac! You blow it up! Don't tell me the starter fell off. Oh my god, it fucking did! It's just the starter. It didn't broke, did it? It's still working. If we screw it on back on, will it work? Oh wait, I can't drive it forward because it won't drive. Hang on, let's just push it back again. Come on, we got it now, we got it. This has to be it. This has to be it. Come on. Come on. Come on, please. Please. Baby boy, come on. Listen. Listen to that music. Listen. It's alive! Yeah, it's pretty lean as well. Here we go. Ah, it's back alive again! We have no grip in the back wheels though. They are schlicks. Whoa! Is it too lean? It's fine, it's fine. Whoops! Oh. It's okay, I just have to run back and go get the gearbox. We can make it less lean, don't worry. Or more lean. Wait there, darling! Wait right there. We didn't need an entire toolbox. Just in my flathead Phillips screwdriver. Alright. How can a lean engine be warmer than a fuel-filled engine? Fuel burns, you know? Stupid. Oh, that's way better. Way better. What if we blow the engine up again? The first thing we do. 5 hours to shit. Whoop. No. No! This thing! Motherfucker, get back on! I wasn't even close! I wasn't even close, man! Oh no, nothing! Motherfucker! I didn't! I don't want that! Bitch! So we have fixed all of the wheels? We fixed the entire engine! Fucking switched 4 pistons, crankshaft, record thingy, oil pan, had a big hole in it, a fucking piston that flew out of the engine. But we all good, we all good. But we have to test that nitro! Oh! We have so much better grip now on the ground. Hang on, we're gonna go off the road. We're gonna go off to the beach, we can have a nice straight road. Get the belt on because we're gonna die probably. Nitro on. Yes! That power! Turn it off. Wah! What the fuck happened? Oh no, we fucked up the car! No! We just fixed it! What the we screwed it on, didn't we? We did! I know we fucking did. Look at that skid mark as well. It's only 3 wheels skidding. You see that? Oh. Well, we're not walking, that's for sure. Front wheel drive, motherfuckers. No, we're not gonna use nitro now. We could have died if we went to the road. Don't drive us over now, car. Look at that. Good job, Robert. Back home we go. Come on. Not good. Oh my god, no. Holy fuck. Oh shit. The wheel probably came loose and just bumped the fuck out of this. Good. It's fine. It's fine. 5.5 hours. You know what, guys? Very well. Like I favorite this shit. Don't blow up your car today. See, did we miss anyone else? Before we end this?